Everybody, this is Stuart from SRM Media. This is Zach. Say hi, Zach.
Hey.
Now today, because of the coronavirus, it's been a little bit slow. Business is slow. Can't help it, but it is what it is. So we're going to do a bit of a family vlog again today. And what are we going to do today, Zach?
We're going to go to the beach.
What are we going to do at the beach, though?
We're going to go for a surf on my new board.
Yeah, boy. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go and hit the beach, see if we can find a bit of a wave and see how we go. All right, see you then. All right, guys, we're just heading down now, driving down to the beach. What are all you guys doing today at the moment out there? Hope you're having a good time as much as you can in this situation right now. Obviously with this coronavirus it's pretty freaky, but we just got to all stay safe and do our social distancing. Yeah, that's basically about it, you know. Alright guys, one of the best things about living in Kiama is the beaches, and that's where we're heading now. We're going to go and check out Surf Beach first to see what the waves are like there. I'm not expecting a big one, and nor do we really want big waves right this second, because Zach is only just starting out surfing and we want something small for him to start on, you know. So let's see what we can find here.
Okay, we're back again, guys. Bit nervous, but hopefully it's gonna go all well. I'm gonna be using my bodyboard and my surfboard today, my new one, and yeah, hopefully I'll get some good waves. As we got here, guys, there's a bit of blue bottles, as you can see. Yeah, but we're still gonna shred and go out there. Let's get it, guys.
As you can see, guys, Zach's going pretty well out there. He's having a big dig, and that's all I can ask of him, just to get out there and have a good try. Not very big waves, but big for him. He's never ridden a proper board before, so you've got to start somewhere, so keep smashing it, Zachy.
Okay guys, I'm back. That was a 6 session on my new board, and now I'm going to transfer it to my bodyboard. See you out there. Okay guys, I'm back from a sesh at the Surf Beach today on my new board. It was really fun. The waves weren't too big, they weren't too small either. And yeah, so maybe on the way back home we're gonna get a snack. See you then.
Alright, just finished off out here at the Kiama Surf Beach. We just went for a surf with Zachy. How was the surf, Zach?
It was alright, the waves weren't too big. I loved my new fiberglass board here. Yeah, the waves, as I said, they weren't too bad. I caught a couple good waves, and yeah, so they were pretty good.
Have you got any messages for anybody out there that might want to start surfing, and seeing as this is your first time on a proper fiberglass board?
Well, being though it's my first time on a fiberglass board, I didn't do that well, but I still tried my hardest, and that's the main thing. And I still like my board. I reckon it's a pretty good board. And yeah, I reckon you should start surfing. It's a great sport, and if you get better and better, you can compete, and you can even get better boards, so it's worth a shot.
And who would you say you would be your surfing role model? Who would you like to meet in the surfing world?
I would love to meet Jamie O'Brien in Hawaii. The reason why I like him is because he's really creative when he surfs. Like, he always makes things up that he can surf with. Like, he always goes to Keikis and Pipeline to surf with his new boards and all that. So yeah, Jamie O'Brien.
Okay, let's go get a snack so we can get a drink, something to eat, and just have a general chill out. And there we go. Thanks very much. We'll see you on the way home. All right, guys. Now we've just started driving. Zach's asked me if he can have a snack. Yeah, what type of snack should I buy him? Should it be a piece of fruit, a soft drink? What should it be? Comment down below and see what snack you're having right now. All right, Zach, what did you get, dude? Show me what you got.
At this shop I got some Gobstoppers. Personally, favourites, but not too bad. And yeah, so they're really good. I reckon you should try them if you haven't. And yeah, so see you at home.
Just before we go, I'd just like to go on the record to say that I didn't really want him to get Gobstoppers. I wanted him to get something a little bit healthier, but sometimes you just got to give in and sort of be cool. Let's see what I got. Red Bull. Ching! Alright guys, we've just finished our day. We just went for a surf. Now we're home now, so I'm going to get stuck into editing this vlog, and we'll see you on the next one. If you have any questions at all, about anything at all about SRM Media or me, Zach, send us a comment and we'll be sure to get back to you as soon as we can.